You need to watch Sex in the City once in your life. Like, girl, especially if you are in your early 20s or 30s ka na, te, please, 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 Sabrina Carpenter, watch Sex in the City. Sobrang marami kang matututunan, te. Grabe, sobrang mau-open yung mind mo about the reality. Sa mga hindi nakakalamte, Sex in the City is about the sex life of these four fabulous women. Si Samantha, si Carrie, si Charlotte, and Miranda. And bawat isa sa kanila, te, talaga makaka-relate ka. Like, yung mga personalities nila, te, parang nami-mirror niya yung personality mo. And parang nakikita mo yung sarili mo sa kanila every time na meron silang ginagawang scene. Yes, they're rated 18 plus. Yung ano niya, te, pero as in it's not about the sex life, that it's more about friendship, it's more about growing up, it's more about figuring life, especially parang nawawala ka, hindi mo alam kung ano yung ginagawa mo sa buhay mo, te, hindi mo alam kung may direction ba yung life mo, te. Girl, watch Sex in the City. It's like ang dami mong mare-realize, as in, te, develop yung frontal lobe mo, te, and parang ma-inspire ka to become the best version of yourself. And that series made me realize na it's normal na hindi mo ma-figure out lahat ng bagay-bagay sa buhay mo. And it made me realize how friendship and having genuine, authentic person in your life, na yung mga taong talagang supportive sa buhay mo. Sa atin, marami talaga mga lessons. Panoorin mo the Sex in the City. Please, go.